not to be like narcissistic or self-obsessed or selfish, but to have a healthy sense of self-esteem, so that even like, for example, living on the internet,
Yeah.
there's always competition around you. I hate it about myself, but oftentimes I look at other creators and feel, oh, I should be doing this, I should be doing that. But I think a shift in my self-esteem is required so that I don't feel that way. And if one's self-esteem is slightly more elevated and at a healthy place, then you just want everyone to succeed, and you understand that there is enough room for everybody.
I also asked about childhood because I feel that everything that we do as we grow up or are trying to grow up, in some way connects back, right? But the stuff we really wanted, and sometimes the world and how things are kind of pushes stuff around. So it's always interesting to kind of understand what I feel that being. I hate the word childhood is pure. I don't think childhood. I think childhood is we're in that starting entu cutlet phase, and over time the
Yeah.
cutlets get a little tired.
Yeah, so I'm reading a book right now about self-esteem, and there is something in there which said basically that the best version of yourself, or the purest, most high self-esteem version of yourself, is probably in childhood, between ages 6 to 10, where you didn't give a fuck about the world
Yeah.
and you were being your most authentic self. And that's when your self-esteem must not have been battered. And that's what
Yeah.
happens through life, where you just starts making yourself smaller and smaller in different ways. I miss childhood because of that, I think, not
What's your
purity.
perspective on self-esteem? I know you have a bunch of stuff on it. I'd love to kind of get into that because I have some in my head, but good to bounce that around.
ऐसा perspective तो कुछ नहीं. I just think it's a very fundamental building block of a person, and the lack of it can really affect one negatively. I'm realizing it more and more with each passing day. When you meet people, you interact with them, actions, they might stem from somebody's lack of self-esteem or a damaged self-esteem in earlier years. So honestly, I just picked up this book because I was feeling like low. So I'm recently single, recently moved back with my parents, lived through a pandemic. Like us all, everyone's
Yes.
had their highs and lows. So मैंने सोचा इसमें चलो मैं अपना self esteem बढ़ाती हूँ. I realized how important it is, because that is it. No, everything stems from there. How much one values themselves, and not to be like narcissistic or self-obsessed or selfish, but to have a healthy sense of self-esteem, so that even like, for example, living on the internet,
Yeah.
there's always competition around you. I hate it about myself, but oftentimes I look at other creators and feel, oh, I should be doing this, I should be doing that. But I think a shift in my self-esteem is required so that I don't feel that way. And if one's self-esteem is slightly more elevated and at a healthy place, then you just want everyone to succeed, and you understand that there is enough room for everybody.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to get there now.
You mentioned the internet, and that's actually been a point which I thought about a lot. Right. I look at it on two sides. One is the fact that would we be talking about mental health, self-esteem, a bunch of these things today if we didn't have the internet? Because I feel that all these have stayed. But I think that we're finally highlighting it, also accelerating the need to really have, like, when you mentioned, just like how everyone else posts, anybody who says they don't check how many likes a post got, or just like how many comments or how many bookmarks. I'm like, dude, I look
They're
at it all the
lying.
time, right? I have to stop myself many days, and I tell myself, 1 second, you're almost 40, you are the father of a child who's going to be 4 soon, and you're looking at, okay, why did this post not get enough likes? And you have to stop yourself, but you can't stop. It's almost like, I remember Tanmay once told me that it's like a dopamine rush that you keep wanting, because the more likes you get, the more dopamine hits. And but I feel it's more than that. I think we feed our own self-esteem by the fact that how many people have liked something we put out there, and I think that's literally what we're looking for, validation on that front. And everybody has their own issues with themselves.
Yeah, I agree. But like, to understand that validation does not equal self-esteem boost.
Hmm.
So I think we need to make a clear distinction of what really is self-esteem, and it's not available. It's not a thing you can buy on the internet.